What shape is the lemon? Is it a square?
No.
No. Is it a triangle?
No.
So the Early Growers Program is a program where we serve 2 to 5-year-olds in early child care centers where they are having a hands-on experience with nature and their natural environments.
Jessica Richards Murray runs a program for kids from one of the poorest areas in Washington, D.C., where there isn't a lot of green space. The school is located in Ward 8, known as the poorest in the district, while also having the highest poverty rate, with 40% living under the poverty line. Here, 80,000 people share one grocery store, making fresh produce barely accessible.
Bug, show me your bug. Wow.
So the hands-on experience is very key to this program. What we do is we do a lot of loose part nature play. I encourage them the best I can to use what is already here in the garden and their imagination to make something real in their space.
Michelle McNeely is the family educational manager. She hopes to see her students connect more with their food.
Our children, we are so accustomed to eating fast food, something quick to the point, but when we actually have our food coming straight from the ground, children are able to see it, first harvest it, pick it, bring it to the table.
I think the first question that I ask them is, where does your food come from? And they're like, the grocery store. So it's so important for this community to see a garden and a farm. They haven't seen this. It's like been 2 and 3 generations that have not experienced any green space at all.
A recent study at Cornell University indicated the mental health benefits of young kids being exposed to nature.
They were able to kind of give themselves self-care and find a space out in the yard and study.
People who had experience in nature were able to relieve stress, connect with nature more, and even did better in school.
This age wants to touch and taste and smell. So the way we have this space designed is for them to have yes at all times. Does that sound good? Does that sound okay? It's all right if you don't want to, but I'd really like for you to join us though, okay? I think it's very important to be able to play outside in the snow sometimes, or in the heat, or with water, with the dirt. Just getting them outdoors is the number one thing. At least they would remember that and tap back into that once, when they get a little older.
By creating these experiences, early growers are hoping to plant the seeds for their future.